Using where for places in non-defining relative clauses. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of non-defining relative clauses and specifically focusing on how to use the word where to describe places. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use non-defining relative clauses with where correctly. So let's get started. Before we jump into the specific usage of where in non-defining relative clauses, let's quickly recap what non-defining relative clauses are. Non-defining relative clauses provide additional information about a noun in a sentence without changing its essential meaning. These clauses are set off by commas and can often be removed from the sentence without affecting its core message. Now that we understand the basics of non-defining relative clauses, let's explore how to use where to describe places. Where is a relative pronoun that introduces non-defining relative clauses when we want to provide additional information about a location or place. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. I visited Paris, where the Eiffel Tower stands tall. 2. In this sentence, the non-defining relative clause, where the Eiffel Tower stands tall, provides additional information about the place, Paris. It helps us understand the specific location within Paris that is being referred to. 3. She took me to her favorite cafe, where we enjoyed delicious pastries. 4. In this example, the non-defining relative clause, where we enjoyed delicious pastries, provides extra details about the location of the favorite cafe. It adds information that is not crucial to the main sentence but enhances our understanding of the context. Remember, non-defining relative clauses with where always refer to places and locations. To ensure you're using where correctly in non-defining relative clauses, keep the following tips in mind. Use where to introduce non-defining relative clauses that provide additional information about places or locations. Remember to set off the non-defining relative clause with commas. This helps separate the additional details from the main sentence. Be mindful that non-defining relative clauses are not essential to the meaning of the sentence but rather add extra information. Congratulations! You've now learned how to use where in non-defining relative clauses when talking about places. By incorporating this knowledge into your English language skills, you'll be able to provide more descriptive information about locations and enhance your overall communication. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to experiment with non-defining relative clauses in your English conversations and writing. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful in advancing your understanding of English grammar. Remember to stay tuned for more exciting language learning content. See you next time.